Guys, for our last lesson in pressure and fluid mechanics, we're going to be talking about gases. So let's talk about an ideal gas first. Ideal gases are basically gas molecules that are not interacting with each other. So they have no intermolecular forces between each of the molecules, which means that the molecules are spaced far apart. They're able to move freely in straight lines at constant speeds. And every collision that each particle comes into are perfectly elastic, which means that they bounce off of each other without losing any energy. But of course, this is ideal. Like in real life, gases do not behave this way. So you can see here in our animation, we have gases that are perfectly round. They are moving in a straight line.